everybody. So we just got our lovely package from Dagley Media. So Dagley Media is the videographer that did our wedding. So we just got the whole package. We're so happy. So we got a nice thank you card with a little personalized message in it. And then the pièce de résistance. We got our little USB with our wedding video on it. So first of all, it's a little personalized box to hold our key, our USB key in it. So it says Vicki and Craig, and then you open the little box, kind of like Jenga there, and then you have Vicki plus Craig with the little hearts, and then you have the little USB when you flick it over. I didn't think I was gonna get such a lovely gift. It's super nice. We really appreciate it. Craig and I really do appreciate it, Matt. And I really highly recommend Matt from Dagley Media. Super professional and very accommodating and just great all in all. Just wonderful, and the product is awesome. If you guys want to see it, it's on our Facebook pages, and it's also on Dagley Media's Facebook page if you guys want to go see it. So thank you again, Matt. Have a great one.